How to get unbanned from Fortnite. You want to Google search for appeal Fortnite ban and then click on the first website that pops up right here, sanctions and appeals. Click on it and it's going to load up this website. So here my account was sanctioned. What can I do? Make sure you have first signed into your account here on Epic Games, and then you will click on go to my sanctions and appeals. So also you can read some more information about it: warning messages, social ban, product ban, account ban, matchmaking ban, Fortnite. You will be blocked from entering Fortnite games. So basically you want to click on go to my sanctions and appeals, and you can search up a sanction number here. So to look up a sanction by ID, you will need to enter the number below, must be 32 characters. This is going to be the example sanction. And basically you can choose the sanction which you want to appeal from this list. Now I'm a good boy and I don't have any sanctions, but here it is going to show us an appeal is a process that enables to challenge a sanction decision made regarding your conduct. You can submit one appeal per sanction. So here you will just go through the prompts to submit an appeal, and if it gets approved, you will be unbanned from Fortnite. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.